Greetings from AppiWorks. In this video, let us see how to set up and use AppiWorks for Google Forms. Let us take a sample employee registration form, which can be used by an individual to submit their registration. In case AppiWorks is not installed, go to Google Workspace Marketplace and search for AppiWorks. Select AppiWorks, and then install. Accept all permissions as prompted during the installation process. Once the installation is complete, you can see AppiWorks in list of add-ons. Click on AppiWorks and then Set Up. You can create a new service by clicking on the Create button. To create a service, you can choose an application of your choice from many apps that are available. Let us pick a database, DynamoDB. You can either choose from one of the existing connection or create a new connection by clicking on the plus icon on the right side of the connection field and filling in the required details. Once all the credentials are put, click on Connect button to establish the connection. Now, the list of tables will be available on the Action field. Let us choose Create Employee as Action, in order to insert record into the table. Now let us move to the Mapping section. While few database fields may automatically be mapped with respective form field, the remaining can be added manually. Let's map email to personal email, name to full name, phone to contact number, and DOJ to date of joining. Once all the fields are successfully mapped as per the form requirement, let's move on to the notification section. Click on Add button. You can get notified on every successful submission of form via Amazon SES, SMTP, or Google Chat. Now let us choose Google Chat. You can either choose from an existing connection or create a new connection here by clicking on the plus button on the right of the connection field and filling in the required details. For a new connection, we need to provide the webhook URL of one of the spaces of your choice where you want to get notified. Copy the webhook URL from your space and paste it in the required notification field. Once all credentials are filled in, click on Connect button. Now, fill in the text field with message with which you want to get notified on every successful submission of this registration form. Once the text is inserted, click on Add button and finally save the service. Now, let us take a look at the employee table from NoSQL Workbench. Here we can see that there are 5 existing records in this table. Now it's time to test our form connection. Let's add some sample data in the corresponding form fields. Once data is added to all the required fields, we can go ahead and submit the form by clicking on Submit button. Once the form is successfully submitted, let's check whether we received a notification in our respective space in Google Chat. Here it is seen that we are notified with the message we configured in the text field. That implies a new record has been created in the employee table in our database. Let's quickly get back to our database and scan the table for current records. Now we can see a new record has been created in our database with the details we entered, and there are 6 records available in the employee table. That is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.